Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you the things that I have bought for my second year at university. I move in on Sunday this week, today is Monday, so 6 days and I will be back at uni, which is insane and I am so excited. I'm doing this all a little bit last minute. As I said, I move in like 4 or 5 days and I haven't really packed yet, which I'm leaving it a little bit last minute, but you know, it's fine. But before we jump into this video, I would just really quickly like to say a huge thank you to Wilko for sponsoring this video. I'm working with them on their Back to College campaign, which is a little bit insane saying that out loud, so a big thank you to Wilko for sponsoring this video. For anyone who doesn't know or has never shopped at Wilko before, they are a super great shop for all things affordable. The quality of their products is really good for such an affordable price, which is so helpful for students who maybe need to do some shopping throughout the year, or whether it's buying a bulk haul for before they move in. They are super affordable and such a great place to shop. All of their products are at really good quality. I don't feel like any of this stuff is gonna like break or get damaged very easily, which is so helpful for being a student when you're shopping on a budget. So I will leave links to Wilko down below. I'll also leave a link to all the items that I'm going to show you from this part of the haul. I'll leave those in the description box below in case you see anything that you like and you may want to go and get it yourself. I'll leave those down below. All of the stuff I'm showing you from Wilko is under a £50 budget, so it'll just show you how much you can get for a small amount of money, which is always helpful knowing how much things cost. So I'll make sure to put the price on screen for each item as well as link them down below so you can go and check them out. Okay, let's get on with the haul. So when it comes to university, you're gonna get a lack of sleep, that is for sure. So you need something comfortable to sleep on. So I got these pillows from Wilko, and they are the Warm Hugs pillows. I've already taken one out of the packet just to see what it's like, but oh my god, these are the softest thing. I'm so excited to sleep on these. They're so like poofy, so I know I'm gonna get a good night's sleep on these. This is what they look like, and can I just say, they're huge as well. Like, this is a pretty big pillow. A pack of 2 pillows from Wilko costs £5, which I think is super affordable to say that pillows in normal shops can be anywhere between like £10 and £15, which I think is a little bit expensive. So £5 for a set of pillows is fabulous. The next thing that I got from Wilko, I actually got quite a few of these. I got about 4 or 5 big storage boxes. This one has something in it, as you can see, but this is going to be super handy for just general things in my uni flat. It's something that I noticed last year I could have probably done with. I love to be organised, and last year I found that my kitchen cupboards just got really messy, and like my cleaning products and just general bits and bobs that were in my drawers that could have probably like just stayed in a box like this under my bed. So I got a bunch of these to help me out with that, and I won't show you them all because they're all rather large and there's no point in me getting them all. But the size of this one is a 20-litre storage box, and it obviously comes with a lid like so. I got 3 20-litre ones and 2 14-litre ones, which obviously, as I've said, I'll put prices on the screen for you guys. I think these are just great. Like, they're very sturdy plastic. I don't feel like they're gonna break, and I feel like they could probably hold quite a lot of stuff. The next thing in my haul for Wilko, I have this mirror. I saw this mirror on the website and oh hello, there's me. I saw this mirror on the website and like fell in love. It's got 2 sides, so it's got a magnified side and just a normal side. And this is something that I felt like I missed last year. I didn't really have a mirror specifically like for putting on my makeup. I just used the mirror in my bathroom on the wall, and I feel like I needed one that was quite portable, and I didn't have that. So I'm so glad I've got one of these now. But it comes in such a cute like industrial stand, and obviously it turns and it's got like bamboo around the side. I just really love the style of this. I love it. It's great. I'm very excited to have this in my flat and see where I can put it, and it's just gonna look so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, inside the next storage box we have other items. The first thing in here I think is a genius idea, and it is interlocking drawer organizers. My ring light is shining on that, which is a bit annoying, but These are basically drawer organisers, so things I can put like my cutlery in. I have one drawer in my kitchen that just stayed a mess and I very rarely went in it because I forgot what was in there and it just had so many different things, and I think this is going to be super handy for that drawer so I can keep everything organised. It's got little sections and big sections that all just kind of interlock so I can put them in different ways and, you know, all that kind of stuff. I'm so excited to have this. I just think they're super handy. They're going to be so helpful. As you can see on the picture, I don't know how well you can see that, but they've got like cutlery, they've got paper clips, batteries, matches, all sorts of things that you would need, which I have a bunch of in my drawer at uni. So I'm very excited to use these and keep everything nice and tidy, that's for sure. Okay, next up, I actually have two of these, but one of them is wrapped in bubble wrap, so I'm not going to bother getting that one out. But it's a little cactus plant in a black tub because I'm kind of going for like a black I dropped it. I'm kind of going for like a black vibe at the moment. I have a white table and a black table. I'm just kind of mixing it up a bit. I'm going a bit industrial this year, which is great. I love it. I'm so excited. So I've got two of these and I think they're either going to sit on a table near my door or on my windowsill. But yeah, I've got two of those and I think they're super cute, but I just love how nice that looks. Like the black and the green, it just goes so well together. So I got two of those from Wilko. I love. Okay, next up we have something wrapped in bubble wrap. As you can see actually through the bubble wrap, it's a mug. So if you watched my first year uni haul or the video where I reacted to my first year uni haul, you'll know I said I have way too many mugs. There is no need for someone to have that many mugs. So what did I do? I bought more mugs. When I saw this mug on the Wilko website, I was like, I need it. I need this in my cupboard. So I got one, and it's like such a good sized mug. Like, look at that. It's such a good sized mug and it's so sturdy and I just love the pattern on it. The whole, oh, it's just everything. It's so nice. I am not a tea or coffee drinker, but I drink humongous amounts of hot chocolate in winter and it's getting to that weather. So I'm so excited to wake up in the morning, have a nice hot chocolate whilst I'm getting ready, or just when I'm cold. But I love this mug so much. Oh, it chimed on my ear. Nice. Next up is something that I've seen and I've wanted for a while. If you have not seen my uni vlogs, you won't know necessarily what my flat looks like, but it has laminate flooring, which is difficult when it gets dusty because just bits go everywhere. Like, I love my flat, but that's the one downfall, is that things just get so dusty. So I spent a lot of my time last year hoovering or sweeping the floor. And I would also borrow my neighbour's mop when I did a big clean because it was something I definitely could have gotten away with buying before I went to uni, because I now know that I needed one. So that's what I got here from Wilko. It's the Flash Mop. Now these were all the craze for around Christmas last year, and I think my sister got one. I can't really remember, but I saw it and I was like, yeah, I need that. So I have this, and it is the 6 wet mop starter kit, so it's everything you kind of need to get started, and then you can also just buy the separate attachments for when you need new ones. But this comes with 6 and it's in the lemon scent, and I'm just very excited to use this. I feel like mops are pretty essential when you have wooden flooring. In Asda, I think these were going for about £30 and this was a tenner on the Wilko website in the sales, so I highly recommend. Next up we have a nice fluffy throw, and let me tell you, this is one of the softest things I've ever felt. I'm going for like a charcoal grey vibe. I have a big feature wall in my flat that's about, it's a little bit lighter than this, but yeah, grey is the kind of vibe that I'm going for. And this throw is so soft. I've got a fairly large throw on my bed currently, which I had with me in uni last year, but since being in lockdown and being at home, it is my cat's favourite thing in the whole world. So I'm going to be a nice cat mother and leave it at home so that they can have it on my bed when they sleep and it'll smell of me and they won't miss me. So that's why I'm leaving that here, which is why I got a new one, because there's nothing wrong with getting a new throw. Oh, I tell you, I'm just so excited to get my uni flat looking fabulous. So keep an eye out for the uni vlog. That won't be very far behind this one, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so now the last thing in this uni haul. This is something that I've wanted for my uni flat last year that I didn't have, and I didn't know if it would actually fit. So in my ensuite bathroom, there is a very, very small gap between the toilet and the sink. And last year I just couldn't find anything that was going to fit down there that I could keep things in, because my bathroom was one of the messiest things ever. I just had so many things everywhere, like skincare products and all sorts, and I just didn't have anywhere to keep them. They all just kind of stayed on the side of my bathroom, which was just a mess. So when this came in the post, I was extremely happy, and I actually asked my friend what the size of the gap was, and she said that she'd got someone to go and measure it for her because she wanted to do the same thing and get a cabinet for there. And I am so happy that it fits because I measured it and it's the right size. So here we go. It's got cellophane on it because I want to kind of keep it nice and clean and it won't get dirty when we're moving. But yeah, it's basically this 4-drawer cabinet, which I'm so excited for. This is something that I really, really wanted for my bathroom, and it's got drawers in it that are actually quite deep as well. Like, I'm gonna get a lot of stuff in these drawers. And yeah, I'm just so happy with these. I'm gonna pop them down because it's making a lot of noise. I think that is everything from Wilko, if I'm honest. I think that's everything I ordered. I am beyond excited to go to uni on Sunday, so keep an eye out for the moving vlog because it's going to be even better than last year, and last year's did quite well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to smash it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button whilst you're down there, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you're notified every time I post, because lots of university content is coming very soon and you do not want to miss out. Another big thank you to Wilko for sponsoring this video. Actually insane. I'm in love with everything that I ordered, so thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. And again guys, don't forget to go and check out the links down below. I'll link all the items from Wilko down below so you can go and check those out. And yeah, I will see you guys super soon with a new video. Yeah, peace out, thanks a bunch, and goodbye.